Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will discuss about the web command that is available in this Fusion 360. Here this is our web command. For this, I select this create sketch. Now I'm selecting a plane. After selecting a plane, here I'm creating a square of let's say 50 by 50 mm. After creating this sketch, I finish the sketch. Now I provide the thickness to this particular square to let's say 50 mm. After that, here I select one more command, that is shell. I select this face and provide here let's say 4 mm thickness, then press OK. Then again go to create a sketch, select the face. From here I am selecting the line command. Then finish the sketch. So as you can see, I draw some profiles here, some lines. After that, go to this web command, select all the profiles, and from here we can provide the thickness, that may be 2 mm. By selecting this option in web command, you can provide the thickness only in one side. By selecting this option, you can provide the symmetry thickness on both the sides. And these are some other options are available to next, to distance. But when you provide the distance, then it will ask you that distance for this web to, let's say I provide here 40 mm, and then press OK. You can see here it will create such kind of webs in the Fusion 360. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.